Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down essentials so you can act fast. Choose a niche and 3-5 target keywords that match user intent because relevance guides everything. Once done, make sure your site is mobile-friendly, uses SSL, and loads in roughly 3 seconds so search engines can crawl efficiently. Next, install Google Analytics and Search Console and submit your sitemap so you start collecting data from day one. This lets you measure impact and prioritize what to improve next. Now you move into detailed execution. Build a keyword map and assign primary and secondary keywords to specific pages so there is no cannibalization. Then optimize on-page elements, titles, meta descriptions, H1 and H2 headings, and clean URLs, while using keywords naturally so you avoid penalties. Create cornerstone pages around high-value topics with comprehensive 200+ word content. Include internal links to related posts and add semantic terms. This structure tells search to complete the process you must promote and measure. Reach out for guest posts, social shares, and aim for a steady stream of quality backlinks because links build authority. Then monitor rankings, CTR, bounce rate, and conversions in analytics. Run a /B tests to improve pages that underperform. If traffic stalls, troubleshoot immediately, check crawl errors, duplicate content, indexation issues, and page speed. And fix the smallest blockers first so improvements compound quickly and keep your momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.